It's hello from James.
Hello and hello from Daddy.
We're back again with another unboxing plastic army men video. I mean, this must be every boy's little dream. A lot of nights James comes home from school and he's got boxes to unpack that contain toy soldiers, sometimes even Lego. James is hoping today there's a Lego set in there because we've ordered one, but this is definitely not a Lego set and this is definitely not a Lego set.
It might be.
He thinks it's a Clone Wars set. Lego.
It's Daddy bought it and it's the 2022 set that Daddy bought.
You got all the Minecraft set and it's haven't you from 2022?
No, not all of them.
Haven't you?
No, but from the rest of these after 2022 I don't have them. Some.
You've got everything from 2022?
I don't have like the big village one.
From 2022?
And the Ender Guardian one, but they're both expensive.
Yeah, but is that this year?
No, it wasn't.
Oh, okay.
It was probably 2020 set.
I'm thinking Christmas. Birthday.
Oh.
Okay, which one are we opening first, sorry?
This one,
That one. This one, okay. This little box here, which could be a box inside a box inside a box inside another box.
I hope it's not. That would be a long time to unpack, wouldn't it?
Mm-hmm.
A long time.
Sometimes we get really, really great, amazing unpackings on eBay.
They're like loads of layers.
We did one yesterday. It wasn't all that, was it? It wasn't very...
No. Some was though. Maybe the one in the middle we opened. Are you serious?
That is the little box. I think it's like brown in it, I think.
Yeah, I think brown. So
what is it? It's really well wrapped up. Oh. Now that is interesting. I do remember buying those.
Why are they so small?
These are 1/72 scale cowboys and Indians.
What?
No, oh no, or they warriors. No, they're not. They're ancient Britons, I think.
Why did you buy them?
We've got a little Britain. Well, you've got 1/72 scale soldiers.
Well, they're way better.
No, I think it's quite cool.
They're kind of cool.
I've got a little horsey. And that's probably Vercingetorix on his little chariot. For those who don't know, Vercingetorix was the leader of the Gauls fighting Caesar.
Look, Daddy, look. He's sitting on the cart.
And I think it was the Battle of Elysium.
He's sitting on the cart.
Oh yeah. Or it could be Asterix, because we like Asterix, don't we?
Yeah.
This horse has got one leg. 3 legs. Let's have a look. Come look at the poses.
No, look at this one. This one's like killing someone. Look.
He's got his arm missing.
He's like chopping someone
Oh yeah.
off.
It's a sword man.
I love this guy so much. I love this guy so much.
Can I
He's
say?
so cool. This is the guy I like.
Oh yeah. He's throwing a spear.
He's got like a statue on the stick. You got a statue.
Oh yeah. It's got like it's like a boar, I think, or something.
Are you serious? I just broke one.
Can't believe it. Well, there's a few here.
I broke this one.
Oh, that's alright.
You can see to the side.
Got another chariot with 4 legs this time.
Look at these 1/72 scale horses.
Yeah, I've never seen such tiny horses.
Yeah, I've seen them in the last box video a couple of days ago. Maybe a couple of weeks ago or something.
Oh, this guy's got no... Maybe he should be sitting on a horse. But you can always tell the 1/72 scale because they've got little squarey bases, don't they? Don't know why they're square and not round. Blue pants and pink body equals ancient
This guy looks like
English
he's dead.
warrior.
This looks like a guy he got injured.
Who's that? No, that's Vercingetorix. Look at that. I've seen him in Asterix.
Did I see him?
Yeah.
Well, that might be the king of it, not the boss.
No, I saw him in Rome. That was it. He was in Rome series, HBO TV series Rome. That was really good.
Yeah. This has to not be Asterix, but he's like laying on the ground, getting hurt. I can't
Little
be.
guy with a shield.
No, wait a minute. No. And look, he got something stuck into him. That's why he's dead.
Oh, yeah.
He's probably dead
He's
now.
been stabbed. He's got a spear in his side. Look at that. Ooh. No, I think you've had it. Sorry, mate.
That's definitely not Asterix, but Asterix is the hero.
Yeah. I do like these little horse and carts.
Well, these are my favourite bits. Why do they have like the same person in them, but like they have different kind of horses, different colour horses?
I don't know. Let's see what else is there.
In everyone there's white, but in each one with the white ones there's like different colours too. So this one's black.
This guy's a little
white.
chopper.
White with a brown, white with a grey. So
and that is our little
mini.
Let's zoom in a bit. So zoom
Mini
in a bit.
stuff. A little mini stuff.
1/72 scale, Ancient Britons. What it could be called?
Asterix figures.
They could be Asterix figures. I see an Asterix stop enemy coming on now. Only
Yeah,
thing,
with the Roman guy.
only thing is we haven't got Asterix.
No.
Okay. Should we open up the second one then? See what's in there.
And this is the horses, what I mean by these horses on these things. Go, catch on fire.
Here you go. Big figures.
I thought they were going to be Lego sets.
No.
Now that he cheered my hope away.
Cowboys and Indians. He's quite detailed, isn't he? Oh, do you know what? He's meant to have a bow and arrow. He's got a bow and arrow. I think his hand's been cut off. This guy. He should have a bow and arrow.
He's getting his 6 guns out.
Oh yeah, these are quite good. Oh,
This
look.
guy's getting his 6 guns out.
These are doing a rain dance or something like that. These Native American chappies.
Let's see one.
Fantastic feathers.
2 of them.
Too high. Fantastic feathers. Bless you. Bless you, my son. Are they both the same? This is Curly. He's had his hand cut off. Or bitten off, probably by a little boy.
It's not Curly.
No, it's Curly's brother. Whirly.
No, this is Curly.
This is Whirly.
No, this is Whirly.
This is Curly.
No, this is Curly.
And what are they together?
Curly Whirly.
Curly Whirly, yeah.
So this is Curly and this is Whirly.
Mm-hmm.
Can't tell you when you will get them.
I think that's quite a nice little haul.
Goodbye.
We do intend to do a standing up of the entire plastic army. It's well over 4,500 figures
Start
now.
on the weekend.
If we get more than 20 likes on this video, we'll stand them up and do it. How's that?
You said 10 likes on the last one.
Yeah, there's more soldiers now, more likes. So, more than 20 likes.
We have to stand up all
We stand up over 4,500
That probably will like take 3 days.
plastic armament, and we do a video on YouTube about it.
I'm serious.
Yes. Are you excited?
No, not at all. Then you can do all of the work and I'll just watch the TV.
I'll supervise and sleep, and you can stand them up. How's that?
No!
Oh, okay.
Then I'll have to be there for like 3 nights.
Okay. Anyway, we'll sign off now. It's goodbye from James.
Bye-bye and bye-bye from Daddy.
Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe, by the way, if you like the video. It does help. Thank you.